Right now, your home has products you'll soon lose. They aren't broken or unwanted, regulations, corporate decisions, and market changes are at play. The window to act often closes before most realize it opened. The average household loses about $1,000 yearly, not due to mistakes but due to unnoticed rising replacement costs. Here are 15 products you likely used this week, ranked from 15 to 1. Number 15, local newspapers. Between 2005 and 2024, over 2,500 local papers have closed. That's 1 in 4. 1 in 5 Americans lives in a news desert without local coverage. A hedge fund, Alden Global Capital, has acquired and eliminated editorial staff at these papers. After a local paper closes, municipal borrowing costs rise, efficiency drops, and corruption increases. If your paper still exists, a digital subscription is $5 to $8 monthly. If closed, your library likely offers access to ProQuest's database. Number 14, physical gift cards. A thief can capture the card number and PIN before it's activated. Once activated, the card's balance is often drained before the recipient uses it. In 2023, the FTC received over 100,000 complaints. Always choose digital gift cards. Number 13, disposable A and AAA batteries. Many homes have loose batteries that are hard to differentiate. Single-use batteries are becoming obsolete, as devices shift to built-in batteries. The EU is pushing regulations that will further diminish single-use batteries. Switch to rechargeable ones like the Panasonic Eneloop Pro. Number 12, gas-powered lawn equipment. A gas leaf blower's emissions equal a drive from Los Angeles to Denver in just 1 hour. California will ban new gas-powered small engines starting January 2024. Major manufacturers are shifting to electric. If your gas equipment still runs, stock parts. Transition to compatible batteries later. Number 11, incandescent light bulbs. New federal standards mean traditional bulbs can no longer be sold. Major manufacturers are discontinuing production. LEDs are better, consuming 75% less energy and lasting much longer. Find LEDs with a color temperature of 2700 Kelvin or lower for a warm glow. Number 10, manual thermostats. Basic manual units are becoming non-compliant with new building codes. Smart thermostats save heating costs, but some utility programs can remotely adjust them. Check for rebates before purchasing. Number 9, copper phone lines. The FCC allowed telecoms to retire copper networks in 2022. When retired, traditional landlines will switch to digital voice, which fails during power outages. If you depend on a landline, transition before it's cut. Number 8, physical cash. Cash transactions are decreasing, but many still rely on it for daily purchases. Keep cash as a backup for digital payment failures. Number 7, single-use plastic grocery bags. Many states have banned them already. Reusable bags are a cheap solution with longer-term gains. Stock up on alternatives now. Number 6, paper receipts. These will be phased out due to chemical concerns and cost. By 2029, most retailers will issue digital receipts. Protect your privacy by using a dedicated email for receipts. Number 5, traditional TV remotes. Many new smart TVs skip physical remotes, relying on apps or voice commands. Consider universal remotes that do not track your data. Number 4, gas stoves. New regulations are limiting gas stove sales. If you have one, maintain it. Future replacements will be more limited or expensive. Number 3, frozen orange juice concentrate. Coca-Cola is discontinuing this product line in 2026. Demand has shifted and citrus greening affects production. Stock up while you can. Number 2, physical car keys. Digital keys are replacing physical ones, but there are risks. Relay theft is a rising issue. Keep your physical key and consider a Faraday pouch. Number 1, cable television. Many cut the cord, but costs can accumulate across multiple streaming services. Use a digital antenna for major networks and rotate which services you use. Each product shows a shift in control over your resources. Be proactive to avoid loss. Observe these changes to adapt before timing catches you off guard. Which product impacts you most? Comment below.